Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the notes on annuities. At the end of this, you should be able to say, I can calculate various payouts on annuity investments. Okay, first thing, an annuity is where someone makes a lump sum deposit and then makes regular withdrawals over a fixed time period. The investment earns interest based on the remaining funds at the end of each time period. So, for example, you put in $20,000 and you take out $100 a month or so, you're going to get interest on that original $20,000, and then after you take out that $100, whatever's left in there, you're going to get interest off of that as well. So that's basically what an annuity is. All right. Now, with that, example 3: May has just retired from her job as a Narabias, which is a professional, a person who stands in line as a profession. So that's an actual thing. At age 50. She has $700,000 in her savings. She rolls over her money into an annuity fund that returns 4.2% per annum, compounded monthly. Okay. So if she withdraws $3,900 a month, how long will it take for the money in her fund to run out? So to do that, let's go back into our TVM solver, because that will make this pretty straightforward. So if you'll remember, we do apps and then it's finance, and there's our TVM solver. Okay. So let's see, she has, how long will it take for the money to run out? So we're looking for N, the number of months, basically, how long it's going to take to run out. So let's see, her interest rate was 4.2. Her present value, that's how much she invested, that was 700,000. So we'll do negative 700. Negative 700,000. Okay. And then our payment is, let's see, she wants to take out $3,900 a month. 3,900. And then the future value, that's, we're going to run it out. And then payments per year, 12, compound periods per year, 12. So what we want to do is figure out how long, excuse me, how long it's going to take to run out of that $700,000 at $3,900 a month. Okay, so we highlight the N, we do alpha solve, and at 283.18. So just over, oops, that's the wrong spot. Just over 238 months, right? It was 238. Yep. So second quit, and we can actually do 238 divided by 12. That will last 19.8 years. Okay. So almost 20 years. Okay. B, if May wants her money to last her until she is 95 years old, how much can she withdraw per month? So she entered it. She deposited at 50 and wants to last till 95. So we do 95 minus 50 gives us 45 years, right? So that will be how many times. She needs to figure out how many months that's going to be. So 45 times 12 is 8, 9, let's see, 0, 4, 540 months is how long that is. Okay. So what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to get in here back into apps, finance, and TVM solver. And so now we're going to fix this here. So we now know we want it to last, she wants it to last 540 months. Still the same interest rate at 4.2. Still the same investment, 700,000. We now want to figure out how much can she take out, so she ends up having nothing left at the end with the payments per year at 12 and compound periods per year at 12. Okay, so we want to now know it's solved for the payment. So now we do alpha, enter. So she can take out 2,887.69. So she can take out almost $3,000 per month for 45 years. Okay. All right. That's really all there is for annuities. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in class. Thanks.